Hello guys, welcome back to the family. In case you're new here, my name is Leah Wamboi, and in case the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post, you'll be the first one to be notified. Guys, on today's video, I'm doing the bed sitter tour. I'm done washing the house. I was actually cleaning. The first thing when you come is you find two pairs of slippers here. One is mine and the other one is for a visitor, and then I've wiped my shoes, so they're just here. I'm afraid of putting them outside because the other day I put my Crocs outside and they were stolen. So guys, here this is how the door looks like, and actually you cannot see anything from outside during the day. So where I used to live before, I used to use this one as a window curtain and the other one as a door curtain. And since this window is so big, I interchanged because this door doesn't need a long curtain for the time being before I buy the curtain of my choice, the one that I want. So here is one of the sockets for this house, and I have bulbs that I can change the lighting. And here is my carpet, my dustbin, my broom. I've just finished my soda and I should go for another soda. So here is the black carpet that I was telling you about, guys. It is so warm. I've not yet revealed it, but I will. And here is the study part of this bed sitter. This is something that I really liked. Like, you just need a chair to come and then you can read. Here is the window. Yeah, it is so big. And then here's where I keep my books, my notebooks. Actually, this book, I've been using it to write down my Vlogmas videos that I want to shoot. And then here is where I put my eggs, my breakfast stuff. Yeah, and there's some honey over there. Let me see, chocolate, cakes, bread. I don't really like bread, but anyway. Yeah, on top here is where I put water, thermos, and that kettle for boiling water. And down here, I've kept my jerry cans and my tank. Any house without a tank and a jerry can, I don't even know what you're doing, because you know you can never predict about the water. But here, the thing that I've loved about the water, there is water 24/7. Unless the caretaker has not pumped the water. And then here is the token stuff, another tripod, and this one is my ring light and a tripod. So actually this is supposed to be my study area. Then my workplace where I work, as you can see, it's just laptops that are here. I edit with this laptop, headphones. Yeah, this is where I read from. And then guys, I really love chocolate. Sometimes I'll just wake up from the bed and I feel like taking chocolate. After that, guys, I want to take you to my kitchen area where I usually cook from. So here's my gas. One thing about this place, I don't think they really planned about the kitchen place, because see, where am I supposed to put the gas? This is a bathroom door, and yeah, but anyway, I really liked the place, the fact that it is so spacious. Yes, guys. And then here is where I put my utensils. Yep, and I have this for delivery guy or the progress. So yeah, here is where I put my utensils, sufurias, cups, dishes, and plates. Then here I have these long things, spoons. Yep, this is my sink. Yeah, this is my sink. These are the things I used to clean. That's the pan I used to cook chapatis, and this is what I use after you are done cleaning the utensils. This is what I wipe my hands with. Then here's the soap. Since it's not yet end month for me to go down to do my shopping, I saw that the washing, the Action soap for the utensils has finished, and then I had to use a bar soap. And this is what I used to wipe after, to wipe the sink. I don't even know why this thing is here. This one I got it when I was cleaning the house. This one is also is not supposed to be here. Actually, I'm supposed to have drawn it. And then let's first deal with the lower part. Then here is where I put my excess shopping, onions, tomatoes, jiko, that one, and the charcoal too. Then these ones I use them in the kitchen area, the buckets. And then here is the bag that has the other shopping, like excess, not excess, but the rice that I'm not cooking right now, the sugar, salt, everything here, the tomatoes. Yep, guys, I loved this place because at least you can keep them. So one thing about this place, it is so far, and I need to show you. I usually climb on the bed. Yep. So here is where I put the things that I'm using to cook. Here I have the spices, including the salt, and then cooking oil. I have these sweets. I love sweets. I have jogo. I cooked ugali the other day with fish. I have chapo, wheat flour. Here I have the ones that I'm not using currently. I have this jogo. I have the remaining spaghetti there, and this jug, and the rice that I'm cooking currently, and a matchbox, and another matchbox. So yeah, that's all about my kitchen area. I want to show you guys from here so that you can see. Yeah, and then so from the kitchen area, I think, guys, you've seen my kitchen area. That's all about it. And then I come to my bedroom where the baby girl sleeps. So this is where I sleep. I need to buy dollies. I need to buy other pillows to be using. So this is where I sleep. And then this is the view. I'm at the feeling of above the bed. I just loved these flowers, these butterflies. They look so beautiful. And then this is the path to go to my dressing place, or rather, as you can see below there, it's where I've kept my shoes. And then I loved this closet by the fact that it has a mirror. Yep, it has a mirror, guys. Yay. Yes. So this is where I usually dress. Yeah, here. And then on top there, that's where I've kept my bags, the suitcase, the traveling bag, laptop bag, and some monkey bags. And then I'm actually supposed to just do this. That's my wardrobe. Yeah, and then here is the excess one where I put my personal stuff there. So yeah, there's some clothes that I don't have here, and also shoes. Anywho, they're at home, but anywho, it is what it is. So I said I have 3 pairs of slippers. One for me in the house, just outside the bathroom, and then the other one for a visitor. And then when it comes to the bathroom, it has another pair of slippers. Yep. So here's the bathroom. It is so spacious. It has a hot shower. That's where I put my soaps, this bathing soap. Also, this one is bathing soap because I heard it smells, but it has a nice scent. But I usually use Dettol. This one is for washing when I'm taking a shower instead of using the bathing soap. Yep. And then, guys, here I have the sink. Yes, guys, toothbrush and a hand washing soap. And then after you're done washing your hands, I have this towel to wipe my hands, and also the shower cap, my face towels, where I put the tissue. That's the toilet. Yeah, or what do you call it? Then here I have toilet accessories. Hey, toilet accessories, I don't even know. I have towels to wash clothes. I have that one for the pegs. Vim, it has finished. I should throw away that one, and even the other one. And then here I have the spray, Harpic, and these balls. And this is where I usually flush my toilet from. So I press. So, and then here I have this brush that I use when I'm cleaning the toilet, the floor, the bathroom, that is. Yeah, as you have seen, it's still wet because I've just finished cleaning. What else have I not shown you guys? I think I've shown you everything. I've shown you totally everything that you need to see. Not switch off the light. Oh no, I've not shown you everything. Here I have this switch. It can switch off the lights in the house. Instead of walking to the door when you are so sleepy, you just use the one that is besides your bed. Yeah, and guys, I think that is all for today. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and you're very welcome to Leah's YouTube channel, into this family. In case you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, guys. I've shot 2 videos today for cleaning and also for tour, so don't worry about how I look. Because I've been busy, I'm editing videos, I'm shooting videos, but it is what it is. Always remember to be kind and do good to people. Till next time, bye guys, I love you so much. Mwah.